Today I'm going to take you through a few of the key features of the BeWell app. BeWell offers a platform for online therapy with highly qualified therapists along with additional mental health tools including journaling. So let's get started. First, we're going to take a look at the onboarding screens. We have 4 simple onboarding screens with slide-through navigation that provide an outline of BeWell's features and functions. And now we're going to opt to sign up to BeWell. So we're then navigated to a simple sign-up screen where you input your basic information and also a 4-digit PIN, which is an extra security measure for BeWell users. So we'll sign up, and we're then taken to the initial welcome page, where we're given the option to either fill out a questionnaire and get matched to a therapist based on the questionnaire, or browse and find a therapist ourselves. So we're going to choose browse, and we're then taken to a filter page where you can narrow down your search according to your own criteria. So we'll add in some criteria here, put it up to 7 years. And we also can use the keyword search bar to enter more specific criteria. So for example, if you wanted your therapist to go to a specific university. Okay, so now we're taken to the therapist results page. And as you can see, we have a quick summary overview of each therapist's credentials. So we're going to opt for Mary, and we're taken to a more detailed therapist profile overview, including an About Me section, and also an audio feature for those who would opt to listen rather than read the profile summary. So yeah, we like what we see. We're going to navigate through to book a free trial session. So on this subscription plan page, we're provided the details of the 3 free trial sessions within the first 2 weeks of the subscription, and also given 3 different types of subscription plan to choose from. So we're going to go for the €170 a month option. Then a simple payments method, we'll click credit card, and then a simple payment details interface. So we input all of our information into the sections and press enter details. So now, with everything summarized and confirmed, we're going to continue to booking the therapy session. So this therapy session, this booking interface combines both the dates and the corresponding times into one screen. So we'll choose the 17th of December. As you can see here, 1:30 p.m. is no longer available for that date, so it greys out. So we're going to choose 11 a.m. and confirm. And as indicated in the progress tracker up here and also here, we can sync the calendar, and we have a quick summary of the 30-minute meeting that we've confirmed with Mary. So we go back to home, and now we can see that we have a notification in the messaging section. So we'll go to the messaging section, and as clear here, the messaging section of the app is similar to any text interface or WhatsApp interfaces. So we have a message from Mary, and we'll reply. And now it's nearly time for the 11 a.m. therapy session, so we want to navigate to the video section. We can do this in 2 ways, either through the Start Session button, or we can go to the video icon in the tab bar and go through. Now here we are asked to input the 4-digit security PIN, the same PIN that was requested on sign up. Join with camera on or camera off. And then we go through to a simple video interface with easy access to starred messages, worksheets, and journal entries. And what's really great about BeWell is that it streamlines the therapy process, in that you're able to integrate your journal entries and worksheets easily, and also keep track of documents, which is really great. So the therapy session's over. We have the option to rate how Mary was for us. And now we're going to go back home to have a quick look at the drop-down menu. So here we can access user account info, subscription info, etc. But for this example, we want to take a quick look at firstly the blogs and articles. Just jump straight on in there. You have a library overview of different mental health related articles, so we'll take a quick look there. Very simple interface. We're also able to save the specific article if we'd like. And then lastly, we'll finish off by just looking at the My Journals entry. So here you have the opportunity to enter your mood, elaborate on that and include some journal entries, and then save it down here. And the Be Well app will save every journal entry so that you can use it as reference or refer to it in any future therapy session. So now we're just going to log out. Yes. And we're navigated back to a simple login page. So that's everything for today. I really hope you enjoyed the quick tour of the Be Well app, and thanks very much for your time.